Let's read about subject and predicate. First of all, what is the subject? The definition of subject. It is the main noun or phrase that the sentence is about. It is the main noun or phrase that the sentence is about. It often gives the answer of who is or what is, who was or what was. The subject always or often gives the answer of these questions. Who is, who was, what is, what was. Okay? Now read this. It is the main noun or phrase that the sentence is about. And it gives the answer of the questions like who or what. Okay? Now let's see what is predicate. It gives the information about the subject. It gives the information about the subject. Okay? Now read this. It gives the information about the subject. And it gives the answers of the questions like what happens or what was happening or what will happen. Okay? The predicate answers the questions like what happened, what happens or what will happen. Okay? Now look at the example. Tom plays cricket in the afternoon. Tom plays cricket in the afternoon. Read this. Tom plays cricket in the afternoon. Now look at this sentence and look at what is the subject in this sentence. Now Tom is the subject in this sentence because Tom is doing whatever is happening in the sentence. Who is doing this? Tom is doing. Who plays? Tom plays. Who plays? Tom plays. And now look at the word or look at the verb. What is happening in this sentence? Now look at this sentence carefully. Tom plays cricket in the afternoon. It means Tom is the main subject. He is doing whatever is happening in the sentence. Who is doing this? Tom is doing this. Tom is the main person who is doing all the work, whatever is happening in this sentence. And now look at the word. What is happening? What is happening in this sentence? Plays cricket in the afternoon. Plays cricket in the afternoon. Now, whatever is happening in this sentence is called predicate. It is called predicate. Now you can see easily Tom is subject and all the other things in this sentence, all the other details about Tom are called predicate. All the details or information about Tom is called predicate. Now I hope you understand the difference between the subject and predicate. Okay? Whoever or the main person in the sentence is called the subject. And what is happening in the sentence or all other information in the sentence is called predicate. Okay? The main person is subject and the information about that main person is called predicate.